Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous video we have learned about the basics of algebra. Now we'll try to understand more about the properties of an equation. So, what is an equation then? Well, it's a representation of a problem in algebra. An equation will consist of unknown values. Our goal is to find out the value by solving the equation. Now, we will try to understand with the help of an example. 3x plus x equals 60. In this equation we have three terms, 3x and 60. If we observe the term 3x in the equation, we will see there is a variable part, x, and a value part 3. Similarly, in the term x is the variable, and 1 is its value. The value part is also known as the coefficient. In the equation, equals sign acts as a balance, which means values on the either side of the equation will always remains the same. So in the equation, 3x plus x is equals to 60 will always remain true. Now, we will try to understand various operations on an equation, which will help us to solve the equation. We can treat the algebraic terms similar to arithmetics, which means we can do basic arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. But only one rule holds: contents on each side of the equals sign will remain the same. For example, if we add or subtract 2 on one side of the equation, we have to do the same on other sides as well. This rule applies for all arithmetic operations. Now, we can simplify the equation in 2 steps. First, we can add the values of the left-hand side of the equation. So, we get 4x. Now the equation becomes 4x equals 60. Now we can divide both sides of equation by 4. It will reduce the equation to x equals 15. So, we have successfully solved the equation. Value of x is 15. Polynomial. If an equation consists of 2 or more algebraic terms, it is known as polynomial, while each term is known as monomial. Now, let us try to understand with an example. 3x squared plus x plus 2. If we consider the monomial 3x squared, we will see it consists of a value part and a variable part. But the variable x is having a power or exponent of 2, which simply means x is multiplied to itself. In the equation we have 3 terms: 3x squared x and 2. Variable part of 3x squared is x squared, having a power 2. While variable part of x is x itself, so it is having a power of 1. But the term 2 does not contain any variable part. Usually a polynomial is arranged in the decreasing order of the variable's power. Now, we will understand what's a degree of a polynomial. Previously we learned how polynomials are written in decreasing order of the variable's power. Degree of the equation is simply the highest power of the variable in the polynomial. So, in the previous example, highest variable power or exponent of x is 2. So, the degree of the equation is 2. Equations are generally named after their degrees. The equation with degree 1 is known as linear equation, while equation with degree 2 are known as quadratic equation. Degree of an equation generally indicates the number of the values of the variable. That's it for today's video. If you like what you learned today, please hit the like button. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also, please follow us on social media, link in the description below, and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.